Hey, what's up, good people? It's Goldie here with Loxitude, and I'm just coming on to share some content with me finishing up a retightening on this beautiful client. And in this instance, I'm showing real time about how I move in the last section of this client's hair. It took me about 35 seconds to knock out this row. But the rest of this section that you see above that's clipped apart, it took me about 8 minutes to finish retightening here, but you're going to see it narrowed down to 1 minute and 30 seconds or less. And I know there's still some skeptics out there who question getting an entire retightening done in 2 hours or less. And I'm a creature of habit. Habit helps me with speed. I have a routine in how I start and how I finish. And most of my clients know that by the time I lay them back, I'm usually anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to being done. And in this case, I'd already done a few rows at the top toupee area, so I only had about 8 minutes worth left to go. So I just wanted to demonstrate her hair is gorgeous, and I never get tired of seeing the beauty of our hair. As I'm working on it, I'm always admiring it. And in this instance, I'm right on the edges. This is how I preserve edges. I don't do any unnecessary tension. And then you see I'm just done and showing everything is nice and crispy.